not going to go around while we're going past it, is it? Oh, apparently it is. Yay.
There's nobody in it.
Yeah, they either have to test them every now and again, or if there's no one there, and sometimes they just send them empty. It shows people what it does.
A bit silly, it's rides for ghosts.
Of course it is.
Don't discriminate against the undead.
Backstage. With it going through the trees like this, it really adds perspective to how much land they own that they're just not using. Paultons, build another coaster! There's a lake bit there. I think I know roughly where we can't be there already. I know there's like a lake by a smoking area bit over the other side. We've done two like intense things, something nice and chill.
There are other bits of the park, other rides. Are there other bits of the park, other rides?
Yeah. So Tornado Springs is one area, which has got the little frog hop thing, which we didn't do, Cyclonator and the Storm Chaser. Then there's the Peppa Pig World, which is all Peppa Pig themed rides.
Are they any good?
I haven't rode most of them.
Okay.
So we could do some of them. There's like loads of this back area bit where there's like the odd bits of animals and stuff, like there's flamingos or something in there. Flamingos.
Okay. What will you think to that?
And there's literally a watermill.
Is that a zoo?
Yeah, the zoo bit. They've got like meerkats and like they've even got a monitor in there. Most places don't have monitors.
Lizard.
And a desert fox. I love the desert fox. The desert fox is so cute.
Assuming the Peppa Pig rides aren't going to be that exhilarating.
Yeah, no. I mean, we can do some of them.
Can't go around there.
But yeah, we're going through Peppa Pig World now. Well, or at least the back of it. I think that's penguins there. Yeah. See what I mean? There's lots to see and do here. But it's more spread out. Like Chessington, the zoo is like all in like 2 places. Here it's kind of like all over the place. There's animals in that bit and all along that bit.
Viking boat, I think.
Yeah, I haven't done that boat actually, I don't think. I think I intended to and then I just didn't end up doing it.
Are we going back to the station we came from?
I think so, yeah. So this is only one half of the park. The other park, it like... Well, we could go to Penguin Kitchen.
It's where they cook the penguins.
No, you cannot cook penguins.
But they taste fishy.
Yeah. Peppa Pig World exit.
Yeah, we have inconvenienced all of you. Here we go.
I was just curious to do it because I'd never done it before.
I like trains.